If you want to see how this look was done, then keep on watching. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is me, Mary Made in Hell. Welcome back. Today we are going to be playing around with the Colourpop Just My Luck palette. It's only $12. Actually, I got it by accident because my intention was to buy the Mint to Be palette that just came out, and I don't know, I had like a brain fart. I don't know what happened. I went to the website, I guess I just saw it green and I went ahead and boom and bought it. And yeah, but what happened when I got it, I looked at it and I was like, oh my god, this is beautiful. So I'm very happy that I got it. So I'm going to be playing with it. Is this one right here, Just My Luck. It is a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. It's so cute. You open it like this. There we go. Comes like this with this little plasticky thing right here. Okay, now I just looked at it and I thought it was beautiful. I mean, come on, look at it. I did touch a couple of them since I opened the package. I just wanted to see it, and it's just amazing. I'm going to be doing a look, get ready. I am going out tonight. It is one of my friends, it's going away, and they were doing like a little going away party. So yeah, this is gonna be the look for that. So I think I'm going to be using from this palette, I think I'm gonna dig in on Chances Are, Kiss My Ass. I don't know why they put those kinds of words on, but whatever. And then I think I'm going to go with Big Banks and Act Natural. I think I'm going to dive into those. Maybe Mary Jane. All these colors are just beautiful. Yeah, the only one I don't like is the Olive Hue, because even though it's like a golden with some green undertones, not my favorite. As you all know, I am not a fan of golden eyeshadows or anything like that, or bronze eyeshadows. I've done them, I've used them, but they're not my favorite. I don't think they look cute on me. But as far as this palette, this is amazing. I love it. So I'm gonna go ahead and try that. Okay, so I did my base already. I did my eyebrows and I contoured. First I'm gonna lay down, let me think. First, I'm going to go in with Chances Are, which is this color right here. Juvia's Place brush. This one right here, I don't have a name for it because they didn't have like, I mean, I use brushes, whatever I want to use them for, but this one specifically, it doesn't have, a name. So I can't give you like the number or anything, but it's like a fluffy, I don't know, blending brush, I guess. Okay, so we're gonna grab that color Chances Are, which is like the minty kind of color. See, that's packed in there, and let's go ahead and start. Ooh, that's cute. I like that color. We can go a little bit higher here. That's looking super cute. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and dive in. I think I'm gonna use the same brush. Okay, so now we are gonna jump into Kiss My Hat. No, Kiss My Ass. This one right here is like a greener color. Let's dig on that. This one has a little bit more, it's more powdery. See, picked up a lot. I don't see a lot of fallout, so we're just gonna go roll with it. So let me put it right here. Oh yeah, that's super cute. Oh, I love this green. Come on, Colourpop, coming through. That is super cute. I love it. I think that's looking super cute. Yeah, I'll go in and blend, like marry these two colors together. I'll do that in a little bit. Now we're gonna grab that darker color, which is the color Act Natural right here. This color right here. So we're gonna grab that color now. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the color now. So let me just go ahead and switch. I'm gonna use that brush again because this brush is performing really good. So now we're gonna go with Act Natural, which is the darkest, not the darkest, but it's really dark green. It's like a forest green. There you have it. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and put it right here. This one, I noticed that it's a little patchy, like right here. I don't know if maybe I can like, let me see if I put a little bit more and just softer. Not going too deep in it. Maybe that helped. Yeah, it looks cute. Okay, I'm just gonna leave it there. I'm not gonna drag it in because we're doing like the shimmer in the corner of the eyes, so I don't wanna like do like a whole thing. I love these screens. So now I'm gonna deepen the socket a little bit. Let me just grab another brush, maybe like a smaller one. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna grab this. This is an e.l.f. brush, I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, e.l.f. brush, crease eye brush. They're right there on a focus. There we go. And it's like this. Let me clean it up. I gotta clean my brushes. They're like so super dirty. I'm gonna grab that same color, Act Natural. I'm just gonna go in here. I want to make this inner corner darker. Okay, so with the first brush that we were using, I'm going to go back on that color Chances Are, which is like the minty color, and we're going to just buff that out a little bit. There we go. And then dig in back to Kiss My Ass. Here and go over that. Yeah. Okay, so now we're gonna grab those shimmers. Now with shimmers, I like using, okay, so for example, I'm thinking about doing this one and then doing this one in the corner, which is Big Banks first, and then doing the Mary Jane. So we're gonna dive in on this too. I like using these little sponges that a lot of people don't like, but I've been using this since I've been wearing makeup, and that's been a long time because I'm 36 years old. So yeah, we're gonna start doing that. I'm gonna use Big Banks, and then I'm gonna go with Mary Jane. So grabbing the sponge, we're gonna get this wet a little bit, and let's go in there again. There we go. Yep, that's looking so much cuter. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and grab the other shimmer, which is the Mary Jane right here, that one right there. And we're gonna wet it too. This one's brighter, so we want to make sure that that one pops. Let's grab a decent amount. It's like a neon-y kind of shimmer. And we're gonna put it in here. That looks cute. There you have it right there. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and grab the green again, the darker green, and we're gonna marry those two. So we're gonna grab that green again, which is the Act Natural right there, and we're just gonna tap it in there again. So I think that is for the top, like the eyelets, you know, that's what we're looking at. So I'm just gonna grab a little brush. So we're gonna go ahead and grab that same brush that we've been using, and we're gonna deepen on Act Natural, and we're gonna start buffing it down here. I always make faces because I'm always poking my eye. Okay. Now we are grabbing that same little spongy sponge for the other ones. So we're gonna grab again Big Banks. Put it right there. Like that. I love it. Okay, so now we are officially putting the palette away for a second. I'm gonna clean this excess. I'm gonna go ahead and okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put on some liquid liner, eyelashes, and liner, and I'll be right back. Lashes are on. My eye is super red because I kind of poked it with the glue, but anyways, I'm wearing this eyelashes, eyeliner. My eye did cry a little bit, so I'm hoping that it still looks good. Anyways, this is the final look using the Just My Luck Colourpop palette. This is really, really, really good. I definitely recommend it. You don't have to buy everything you don't have to buy everything that you see on videos or reviews or anything like that. But this is good quality makeup for an affordable price. $12 for a 9-pan eyeshadow palette. I mean, come on, it's beautiful. It's lightweight, easy to store, easy to take with you. I love this look. Tell me what you guys think. Like I said before, I love, love, love green. So I'm definitely going to keep this one in mind whenever I'm doing my green looks when I'm going to go out. I'm going to be fixing my hair in a little bit. I just have like a little bun right here, which looks busted. But anyways, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel, leave a thumbs up. Thank you so, so, so much for being here and following, or if you're already a subscriber, I thank you so much. And I will be uploading more videos as I go. Like I said, I'm trying really hard to like keep up with the contents and stuff. I'm gonna be doing some videos, special effects video, which is my favorite kind of makeup. But the only thing is that whenever I do special effects makeups, I do them mostly on other people because doing it on myself is a little challenging. But anyways,